In this video, I am going to show you how you can create a pattern from an image using Photoshop. The feature I am going to use for this video is available on Adobe Photoshop CC 2020 or higher. If you have an older version of Photoshop, this may not work for you. Without further ado, let's get started. First, open an image of your choice, or if you want to go along with this video, you can download the image and the project files using the link from the video's description. Then go to the window. Libraries window will open up. Then click on the plus icon and choose Create from Image. Here we will create our pattern. You can change the image size, rotation. You can also select from multiple pattern style. You can choose the pattern between color and black and white. If you are happy with the pattern design, click on the Save to CC Library button. The pattern will be saved on your Creative Cloud library. In order to use the pattern on another document, just open the document where you want to use the pattern or create a new document. On the library window, double-click on the pattern you want to use. The pattern will be placed according to your document size.